Why is this level crossing at Redcar Central unique? It was the UK's first sliding gate level crossing, introduced in October of 2015 to replace a boom gate level crossing that was plagued with reliability issues, especially in periods of high winds. The sliding gate type of barrier was designed specifically with this problem in mind. Now, anyone that's visited Redcar can tell you that it does get really windy, so much so that they built an offshore wind farm here. Now, although the gates have performed reasonably well, they've not been without problems. The gates have failed on a number of occasions, but this is usually due to mechanical problems which have nothing to do with the wind. In all my trips up and down the country, I've never seen another level crossing like this one. So is this the UK's first and only sliding gate crossing? Or is there another one? Let me know if you know that there's another one. What do you think of this level crossing? Is it a good idea or not? Now, Redcar doesn't have as many trains as it once used to have, but if you'd like to find out what trains run through Redcar Station, then check out the video that's on the screen now or in the description, and I'll see you there.